Listen, managing diabetes is no piece of cake, pun intended, but one of the toughest parts can be figuring out what to eat, especially for breakfast. You know breakfast, the most important meal of the day? Well, it's true, but it's also the one that can send your blood sugar levels for a roller coaster ride if you're not careful. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm sharing 5 incredible diabetic-friendly breakfast options that won't spike your blood sugar. These recipes are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients to keep you full and energized all morning long. So if you're tired of the same old boring breakfast routine and want to start your day off right, then keep watching. First up, we have a classic Greek yogurt with berries. Now let me tell you, Greek yogurt is a diabetic warrior's best friend. Why? Because it's packed with protein. And as we all know, protein is digested slowly, which helps prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, which is important for strong bones, and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. And trust me, a healthy gut is key for overall well-being, especially when you're managing diabetes. Now let's talk about those berries. We're not talking about sugary jams or syrups here. We're talking about fresh or frozen berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. Berries are naturally sweet and low in carbs, making them a perfect topping for your Greek yogurt. Not only do they add a burst of flavor, but they're also loaded with antioxidants and fiber. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, while fiber helps regulate digestion and keep you feeling full and satisfied. So, for a power-packed breakfast that will keep your blood sugar in check, simply grab a cup of plain Greek yogurt, none of that sugary stuff, and top it with your favorite berries. You can even add a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra flavor boost. Next, we have a trendy breakfast option that's actually good for you. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. I know, avocado toast gets a bad rap for being a millennial cliche, but hear me out. This breakfast combo is seriously delicious and nutritious, especially for those with diabetes. Let's start with the avocado, shall we? Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fats? But I have diabetes. Listen, not all fats are created equal. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, which are actually beneficial for heart health and can help improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity is crucial for managing blood sugar levels, as it allows your body to use insulin more effectively. Plus, the fiber in avocados helps slow down digestion, preventing those rapid blood sugar spikes that can leave you feeling sluggish and hangry. And let's not forget about the potassium. Potassium is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, which is especially important for individuals with diabetes who may be at a higher risk for heart disease. Now let's talk about the bread. We're not talking about your typical white bread here, which is high in refined carbs and can send your blood sugar soaring. We're talking about whole grain bread, which is made from the entire grain kernel, bran, endosperm, and germ. This means it's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are stripped away during the refining process. The fiber in whole grain bread helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. To make this delicious and nutritious breakfast, simply toast a slice of whole grain bread and top it with mashed avocado. You can add a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor, or get creative with other toppings like sliced tomatoes, red pepper flakes, or everything bagel seasoning. For an extra protein boost, you can even add a poached egg on top. The creamy yolk pairs perfectly with the rich avocado. Drizzle a bit of olive oil for added healthy fats and a touch of luxury. Or sprinkle some microgreens for a fresh, peppery finish. The possibilities are endless. So the next time you think about skipping breakfast, remember that avocado toast is not just a trend. It's a delicious, nutritious, and versatile option that can be tailored to your taste and dietary needs. Moving on to breakfast option number 3, we have chia seed pudding. Don't let the name fool you. This pudding is not only good for you, but it's also incredibly delicious and versatile. Chia seeds, despite their small size, are nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. These tiny seeds can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. Let's talk about fiber first. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water in the gut, forming a gel-like substance that helps slow down digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also a good source of plant-based protein, which, as we discussed earlier, is essential for managing blood sugar levels and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Protein helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those energy crashes that can leave you reaching for sugary snacks. This makes chia seeds an excellent addition to your morning routine. And if that wasn't enough, chia seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and even boosting brain function. These benefits make chia seeds a true superfood. To make chia seed pudding, simply combine 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk. Almond milk, coconut milk, or even cow's milk all work well. You can also add a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup to taste, but I recommend using these sparingly, as they can still impact your blood sugar levels. For an extra flavor twist, consider adding a splash of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until the chia seeds have absorbed the liquid and formed a pudding-like consistency. You can then top your chia seed pudding with your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. This makes for a delightful and healthy breakfast or snack option that you can enjoy any time of the day. Up next, we have a classic breakfast duo: scrambled eggs with spinach. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also incredibly versatile and can be cooked in countless ways, making them a perfect breakfast option for those with diabetes. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or made into an omelet, eggs can fit seamlessly into your morning routine. Let's talk about protein first. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need to function properly. As we've discussed earlier, protein is essential for managing blood sugar levels, as it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. But that's not all. The protein in eggs also helps in muscle repair and growth, making it a great choice for those who are physically active. Eggs are also a good source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and even boost brain function. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients like choline, which is important for brain health, vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, and lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that protect our eyes from damage. Additionally, eggs contain B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Now let's talk about spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse in its own right, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a good source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting, vitamin A, which is essential for vision, and folate, which is crucial for cell growth and development. Spinach is also a good source of fiber, which, as we've discussed, helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's low in calories and carbs, making it a great addition to any diabetic-friendly diet. The antioxidants in spinach, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, also help protect your cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. To make this delicious and nutritious breakfast, simply scramble a couple of eggs with a handful of spinach. You can add a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor, or get creative with other toppings like diced tomatoes, onions, or mushrooms. For an extra boost of flavor and nutrition, consider adding some herbs like basil or parsley, or a sprinkle of cheese. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a balanced meal to start your day right. Last but not least, we have a breakfast staple that's often overlooked: oatmeal with nuts and seeds. Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy and help regulate blood sugar levels. It's also a good source of fiber, which, as we've discussed, is essential for managing diabetes. But not all oatmeal is created equal. Instant oatmeal packets, while convenient, are often loaded with added sugars and artificial flavors. These added sugars can spike your blood sugar levels and leave you feeling sluggish and hungry. Instead, opt for steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats. These varieties take a bit longer to cook, but they're less processed and have a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar levels as much as instant oatmeal. Now, let's talk about those nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great addition to any diabetic-friendly diet, as they're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They add flavor, texture, and a boost of nutrition to your oatmeal. Almonds, for example, are a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help improve heart health, and magnesium, which is important for blood sugar control. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which, as we discussed earlier, have numerous health benefits. Chia seeds, which we discussed in detail earlier, are a great source of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. And flax seeds are a good source of fiber and lignans, which are plant compounds that may have antioxidant properties. To make this delicious and nutritious breakfast, simply cook your oatmeal according to package directions, using water or unsweetened almond milk. Once cooked, top with your favorite nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if desired. There you have it, 5 incredible diabetic-friendly breakfast options that won't spike your blood sugar. From the protein-packed Greek yogurt with berries to the trendy avocado toast on whole grain bread, these breakfast ideas will keep you full, satisfied, and energized all morning long. So, ditch the sugary cereals and pastries and start your day off right with one of these nutritious and delicious breakfasts. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which one of these breakfast ideas you're most excited to try.